In every ending, a new beginning is born. This year, we celebrate not just the end of a chapter, but the rise of a new generation. A generation shaped by challenges, empowered by knowledge, and united by purpose. We are the generation for unity, partners in building a stronger, more hopeful Philippines. We faced the unknown. We adapted. We evolved inside classrooms, behind screens, through community and connection. We found our voice. We found each other. From every lesson learned, every project completed, every failure turned into a win, we grew. Together, we dreamed. Together, we worked. And now, together, we rise. In our hands lies the promise of a better tomorrow. A nation not just imagined, but built with unity as our foundation, with partnership as our strength. We are not just graduates. We are change makers, leaders, dreamers, builders of the new Philippines. So as we march toward the stage, let us carry the spirit of unity in our hearts and walk boldly into a future we'll create. This is our moment. This is our time. We are the generation for unity, partners for the new Philippines. Join us in this unforgettable celebration of senior high school 8th commencement exercises on May 9, 2025 at the new NQCI Gymnasium. Let's honor the journey, the triumphs, and the future we're building together.